Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One and this is a video combo. So you guys, I have been extremely busy this week, so I decided to combine the seedling, mint, and corn video together so that way it can save me some time and you guys as well. One-stop shop, in this case, one-stop watch. As I'm thinking about it, I'm actually going to do a playlist titled One-Stop Watch for you guys, and I'm still going to do the shorts also. The mystery seed will definitely be included in the one-stop watch. So let's get into this video. This is week 16 seedlings update, and we already saw the dill, the zucchini, which I have had no success this year. You saw the radishes going to flower, the cauliflower looks good, and now we are looking at the herb garden, which consists of kale, lettuce, thyme, and spinach, which I did a video on me collecting the spinach seeds that I let go to flower. Now we have the tower, which consists of eggplants and different type of peppers, and the peppers are doing so well, you guys. I'm so excited because I hope I get some habanero peppers. Up next is the ginger, which looks good, and this is my first time growing ginger, so I don't know when to pull it, but it looks good. Now you guys, when you grow your ginger, please make sure you have a bigger container because this little pot is not going to do nothing for that ginger. You plant and you learn. I wasn't really sure if the ginger was going to grow, but it did, and now I've got this little pot. So most likely the ginger may be small. Now let's move on to the milk crate that has the tomatoes and onions in it. The tomatoes look so good. I cannot wait until I get ripe, you guys. So in this milk crate, we have the tomatoes and basil, which I already did a cutting of the basil. So you guys, now we have week 12 corn grows with cucumber in the milk crate update. You guys, I am so excited about the corn because now I have a female flower, which is called the ear. That's the male flower right there. But the female flower is called the ear, and you will see the little silks shooting out. I'm like, oh. Now it's not big at all, you guys, but look at it. That is the female flower of the corn and ear. You guys, also I have another cucumber growing. Now I did a video when I harvested the other cucumber and it was so crunchy and refreshing, so hopefully this cucumber is the same. Look at my ear, you guys. Now let's move on to week 11 fresh mint cuttings that I have bought from the store, Aldi's, and look at it, you guys. It is doing so nice, and I even took off 2 cuttings so that way I can share with my friends. If you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. That would really help my channel, and for more videos like this, click here.